All right, now let's go ahead and look at this some of the stats of ChatGPT, which is equally important. And when I say equally important, it's actually very important because you should know what is the tool and where you are investing your time and money, because that's your precious time which you are investing in any of the course, right? So, and from the stats perspective, if you see the from the launch date itself, right, it launched on 30th November 2022, and time to reach 1 million users is less than 5 days. This is insane. This was the phenomena which happened last year, right? So nobody has reached 1 million users in these number of days. So this is a record time, right? And it's going to be talk of the town for so many years, right? And this is the benchmark which is very tough to beat, right? So doesn't matter, right, whatever you are coming up with new tooling, but this chat gpt is a landmark and a benchmark for many of the new AI tools which is getting baked in, certainly, right, which is going to happen in some time, whether it's coming from Google space or any of Facebook or any of the third party tools which is coming from any of the bigger companies itself, right? But this kind of landmark is very tough to beat, right? So this is the I would say, like, this phenomena I see after Steve Jobs Apple launch day, when it he first launched this Apple iPhone there, right? So that was the event one day, and the another day which I see after that is this launch thing which happened, and internet was taken by a storm, right? You could imagine, like, in just 5 days 1 million users. I mean, this is insane. Then US adult awareness, like, for more than 40% people actually know about this, right? So this is quite good, right? And daily queries, you see approximately 10 million, and from daily active users is about 13 million, right? And monthly website visitors is 1.6 billion, which is again a pretty exciting number, right? And active users is about 100 million. You see that people are using and coming to ChatGPT for daily use cases and solving their problem statements, trying to reduce their time and monotonic job, or the things which can be automated, and doing it more precisely as and when ChatGPT becomes more popular in terms of the new features, right? So people will tend to come to that ChatGPT itself. So this is the future, right? So either you have two options, like either you miss the bus or board the bus, right? So because there is a saying in this AI space that certainly AI is going to replace the human being, but this is not going to happen because human beings have created AI, not the other way is correct, right? But human beings who are equipped with AI is certainly going to replace that human being, and that is because there is plethora of opportunities going to be created because of AI in this space, be it any field, like whether you are in marketing agency, you are in state agency, you are in travel agency, you are into software department, be it any field, chat gpt is going to be the buzzword for decades to come, right? So get your time allocated for this kind of course, and this is the investment which is a kind of a lifetime investment which I can bet upon, right? So this is what I'm just coding this is why I'm just quoting these facts and figures. This makes much sense here, right? And having said that, now let's look at some other stats of this in the next video.